Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm on the road, as you can tell. It's packed in here. It's raining. I hate driving in the rain, so I'm trying to edit this video real quick. This is not going to be day one of the 36-day riding challenge. That'll be tomorrow. I'm near Flagstaff, Arizona. I pulled off to go check out a skate park in Sedona, and on the exit was a dirt park, so that seemed way more exciting. So I went and rode some dirt jumps, kind of by myself. No one else wanted to jump the big ones. There's one guy there, but he didn't stay very long, so I think I only went through them once with him. But the park's awesome. I thought it was super fun. I tried to film just flowing through it with the GoPro on each line there. Fun, nothing crazy. We'll see how the GoPro footage turns out. You know, it's always bumpy when it's on your handlebars, but I'm not a chesty mount kind of guy, you know. So if you ever swing by the Fort Tuthill bike park, super fun. They got a crazy ropes course right next to it too. You know, more mountain bikes for sure, but the dirt jumps are okay. A little poppy at the top, so kind of bucked it a little weird, but you know, it's free, it's fun. Someone else is working on it. If you don't know me, I hate working on dirt jumps. So park's fun. Hope you guys like all these clips, and I'll also have some a little pan around of the Sedona concrete park. It looked better in pictures. Not bad. There's crazy hot, so my dog's overheating, so I didn't really want to stay very long. Tried to do this jump up to manual. It didn't work. My brakes were super dirty from riding dirt, which is the problem with riding dirt. The scenery behind it would be awesome if you could do some big stuff there, and I'm sure someone can, just not me. So I didn't stay there very long. I think it was 95 out. My dog was complaining harshly. So this is just a little sample of what's by Flagstaff. Tomorrow I'm gonna make the rest of the drive to Oklahoma City and hopefully get a session in tomorrow before I head to Kansas. So tune in tomorrow, see what we got going on. Later.